Now you will learn how to trade Binance options even as a complete beginner. You will also learn the difference between easy options and classic options and how Binance options improves year after year. The first step to trade on Binance is to create the 100% free account. And I will leave you a link in the description right here below the video where you can get the best welcome bonuses on Binance. After clicking the link below my video, you will land on the Binance registration page where you will create your free account using your email, phone number, Google, Apple or Telegram account. All sign-up methods are 100% free. Once you are inside Binance, you can find options trading here on the futures and options. Here is the options homepage with a lot of information, articles and everything you need to trade options on Binance. If you are a beginner, you should be careful with options trading because it's often considered to be the most advanced type of trading. Spot trading is the easiest one for beginners. Futures trading is for intermediate level. Then options trading is more advanced. When you start options trading in Binance, it has this kind of quiz where you can answer different questions to make sure that you know what you are doing, and you notice that if you answer wrong, it simply gives you the right answer on the green. Then you can choose that and move forward. So this will take just some seconds and you are done with it. But I recommend reading through the questions and answers so you will learn what you are doing. Here on Binance options, there is classic options and then easy options. And with both, you notice that there is buy and sell. As you can see right here, buy, sell. You can buy a right to buy or right to sell. The strike price is the price at which you can buy or sell the asset in the future. And here on the top you can choose the future date, and you notice if we go 1 year in the future, the further you go, a bigger premium you need to pay for the BTC price because there's more time for BTC to move and more chance for option to become profitable. If you buy the option for the near future, then you don't need to pay so much premium, so much fee, because there is not so much time for BTC to move. And whenever you buy or sell an option, you need to pay a fee, which is also known as a premium in options trading. And it gives you the right to buy the asset, not an obligation, at the fixed strike price before or at expiration date. For example, let's go to the future date. If I would buy this option right here that has a strike price of 100k for BTC, it would give me the right to buy BTC at 100k at March 27 or before. So there is almost half a year time to expiry. And if you click here and you buy the right to buy, so you click here buy, you want BTC price to go higher. It has an illustrative chart. You can see here, the higher the BTC price goes, the higher the profit. As you can see, it shows P&L, so profit and loss. When the BTC price goes higher and higher, you earn the profit. If the BTC price stays low, then you will lose the premium, so the fee that you pay for that option. Now on the other hand, if you click here sell BTC at 105k, you obviously don't want that the BTC price would go higher, because then it's not really valuable to be able to sell it for cheap. You want it to stay low. You can see if the BTC stays low, then you earn the profit, because then right to sell BTC at 105k is valuable. And you notice here that there are 4 types of options you can buy. Here on the call you have the buy sell, then on the puts you have also buy sell, and this type of image explains to you how it works. I recommend that you start from one type of option and then you focus on that, you master how it works, and then you move to the second one. For example, you learn first the call long, right to buy the stock. So you come here into call, you buy, so you understand when the price goes higher, the bigger the profits. If the price stays below, you lose the fee. And it's worth mentioning that on Binance, it doesn't matter what VIP level you have with options trading. You can see the regular user and the VIP user pays the same fee, the same premium. At the moment of recording this video, they seem to have some promotion, which means that there is some fee discount, but most of the time you can see the fee is 0.03%. And you notice here that with the call buy options, the losses are capped to the premium, you can see, so you never lose more than the premium you paid. The seller of the option, you can see, takes a bigger risk because then he or she can lose more. That's why a lot of people use options for hedging or leveraging with the limited downside. For example, if you are normally bullish on Bitcoins, you expect BTC price to go higher. Now for hedging that position, you would be able to get the put option buy, and now for example if BTC would crash, you make massive profits, but if it stays high or goes higher, then you don't lose more than the premium. So that's how you can hedge your positions. Now I will show you some example trades in front of your eyes so you see how this is done in practice. But the quick note I want to mention is that Binance Option is becoming year after year because they have been adding more and more trading pairs and more expiry dates, as you can see right here. Let me give you the proof of that. Here I published my first video about Binance Options trading back in October 22, and you notice in the video they only had one trading pair, Ethereum USDT, and only a few expiry dates. Then when we moved forward into December 2022, you notice that they had 3 trading pairs and a couple of expiry dates. Now when I'm recording this new video, you notice that they have 6 different trading pairs, and they have a lot of different expiry dates all the way up to 1 year from now. And they have also added this easy options trading for beginners, and there are these illustrative charts helping you to understand how everything works, at which prices you would make profit, at which prices you would break even. And we can assume that in the future Binance Options will keep on improving all the time. If you are wondering what does this break even price mean, it means that where your profit and loss is basically zero, so you break even. For example, if you buy a call option, so a right to buy, you would need to pay the fee if the price stays low, but if it starts going higher, you earn the profit. And when it goes higher just a little bit, then you break even. As you can see here, the break even price, it is higher than the current price, so BTC price needs to go higher in order for this trade to be profitable. And now when I go into the future, you can see if I click here, price needs to move much more. You can see break even is 122k because the expiry date is half a year in the future, so it has much more time to reach that break even price than, for example, if the expiry date would be 19 hours from today. Let me open some trades in front of your eyes. So we start with these easy options. Here you can put general prediction. Do you expect BTC to go higher or lower? We expect it to go higher. BTC is going up. Select a target date, let's say within a month or more than a month. You can choose here also a date for that. We put within a month. Predicted price, if the current price is 109k, let's put for example 115k here, and here it shows you the details. Here you can select between ranking by probability of breaking even, popularity, ROI percentage, cost or return. Let's choose for popularity. I click here buy, and then it opens the view for me on the right hand side. Now I can start scrolling this one here, and it shows me again estimated P&L chart. Break even price is right here. I can scroll this one right here. It shows me the cost in USDT. You can see when I move it right, it gives a higher cost, and when I move it left, it is cheaper. Let me go with this one, roughly 53 USDT cost. I click here buy. It gives you the confirmation. I click here confirm, and you can see submit order successful. Now when I scroll down, it shows open orders. If I want to cancel, I could click this button right here, but obviously I don't want to do it right now. Let's do an example also with the classic options. So here we can also choose the expiry date. Let's take a little bit further in the future. Right here, let's put right to buy at 108k. Break even price will be roughly 114k, and I will buy also call option here. I click buy, it gives me the details. I click here confirm, submit order successful, and now it's right here in the open orders. You notice that these are limit orders, so if you want your trades to be executed immediately, you can choose here BBO, which is basically like a market price, so the trade would be executed right away. I scroll this one, I click here buy, I click here confirm, and you can see what happens. It immediately goes into positions, and now it starts calculating the unrealized profit and losses. If the price would go higher, I will earn the profit. If the price goes lower, I might lose the premium or the fee that I paid. Now since I used BBO for this one, I can close the other one, this one right here, and now you can see I have still this one call buy option open that I opened here on the easy options. If you have any questions about Binance options trading, feel free to ask me in the comments below my video. Somebody was asking, for example, in my previous one, could you please make a video about how to close position in Binance options trade? It's easy. You can simply click here, close position. Feel free to ask me more questions in the comment section. And now, of course, it's good to have alternative platforms for options trading in case something would happen to Binance, or you want to get some more benefits. You want to take a look at other options trading platforms on the top crypto exchanges, BYBIT, OKX and Gate.io. All of them provide options trading. You can see here OKX options trading. They have also a lot of expiry dates for BTC, USDT options. Gate.io, they provide even more trading pairs than Binance or OKX. And then of course BYBIT is one of the best ones in the world. And a lot of people say that BYBIT overall is easier to use than Binance. BYBIT also provides many products and benefits that Binance doesn't provide. For example, massive welcome bonuses for our subscribers. You will find all the links and resources discussed in today's video in the description right here. BYBIT, Binance, Ultimate Guide and more.